if you've made it this far and you still have absolutely no idea what category your woman fits into, you really can't go wrong with it. Hello and welcome. I'm Laura and this is my gift idea list for women. So women can be hard to shop for, but luckily for me as a hairstylist, I always know what to get the women in my life based on their hair type. So I've broken this idea list into 13 different categories. And all you need to do is choose the category that best fits the woman in your life. Or if you're a woman and you don't know what to ask for, this guide will help give you some ideas of what to put on your Christmas list. In the description, I've linked my blog post where I detail each category down and give you a full description of each one, as well as a link to the product on Amazon. All right, let's get into it. So category number 1 are blow dryers, blowout brushes, and air wraps. Now, I can't tell you how many times I have had a friend's husband message me around Christmas time asking what blow dryer to get for his wife. This really seems to be a perfect bigger gift. So in that link, I've listed out my favorite blow dryers to choose from, giving you several different options with price variations. I know Dyson is a little expensive for some people, and I've given you cheaper versions as well. You can also choose from just a regular blow dryer or the blow dryer air wrap combo. There are also other types of thermal brushes that don't blow dry the hair, like thermal straightening brushes. They're essentially just heated brushes that you brush through your hair and they'll straighten it. It's so simple. Okay, number 2 are flat irons and curlers. So if the lady in your life is having to wiggle the cord attached to her iron just to get it to stay on, not that I've done this or anything, then it's time to get her a new iron. So when it comes to irons, you've got a number of options to choose from. You could get just a traditional flat iron. You could get a 3-pronged waver, which will give those beachy waves. Or you can get a traditional curling iron or wand. Okay, number 3 is a compiled kit for damaged hair. You can get a complete hair repair kit, which is Olaplex's #1 products for healing hair all in one, or you can purchase them a la carte. Okay, so number 4 is a kit for thinning hair. So there are so many different reasons why someone may be experiencing hair loss, and I'm not gonna get into those right now. But there are a number of different products out there that can be really helpful for someone that's experiencing hair loss, no matter what the reason is. You'll wanna include things like shampoos and conditioners that are designed to promote hair growth, thickening hair products and fibers, hair growth supplements like a liquid biotin or collagen, as well as minoxidil topical treatments. Okay, so number 5 is a Scalp Care Kit. You can choose from medicated shampoos and conditioners or just a typical tea tree shampoo and conditioner, which by the way is a #1 seller in the salon. But there's also scalp treatments that you can do from home to moisturize as well as exfoliate the scalp. Okay, so number 6 is Anti-Frizz and Moisturizing Kits. So this category is for those with relatively frizzy or dry hair types. This could be anyone with coarse or curly hair. These types of products will silken the hair while increasing shine and delivering moisture to the inner layers of the hair strand. You'll want to look for things like shampoos and conditioners, leave-in serums, leave-in conditioners, hair masks, as well as smoothing oils. Okay, number 7 is a curly hair kit. So girls with curly hair have to do things completely differently. There are very specific shampoos, conditioners, as well as treatments that are best for those with curly hair. They'll need products that are going to define the curl without giving that crunchy hold. Okay, number 8 is a kit for blonde hair. If your loved one is a blonde, then this will be a good section for them. These products are designed to minimize unwanted yellow and brassy tones from the hair, leaving a cooler or more neutral toned blonde. They're also typically formulated to be a little bit more repairing because most of the time blonde hair is bleached. Number 9 is a Volumizing Kit. So these products are designed for those with fine and limp hair types. The kit will include things like volumizing shampoos and conditioners, mousses, as well as thickening sprays. Number 10 is shampoo and conditioner sets. So if you've made it this far and you still have absolutely no idea what category your woman fits into, you really can't go wrong with a shampoo and conditioner set. You've still got a number of options to choose from as far as a moisturizing, a thickening, a volumizing, or even just a daily shampoo and conditioner that smells good. Okay, so number 11 is hairstyling products. So in this category, I've listed out a number of hairstyling products that are really great for all hair types. These are typically my #1 sellers in the salon across the board. It includes things like shine sprays, heat protectants, dry shampoos, as well as texture sprays. Okay, number 12 are hair care accessories. Now, these are actually perfect stocking stuffers because they're not really that big of items. They're things like scrunchies, shower caps, or even heatless curlers. I've also included silk pillowcases because silk pillowcases are a must for reducing frizzy hair. Okay, and number 13 are hair brushes. So this list includes my favorite high quality hair brushes, including boar brushes for dry hair and nylon detangling brushes. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Leave me a comment if this was helpful for you. And make sure you subscribe if you wanna make every day a good hair day. Thanks for watching.